Rotation. Rotation in mathematics is a type of transformation which changes the position of an object by rotating through a given angle about a given point in the given direction. 3 points are to be noted here. Rotating through a given angle. Through which angle to rotate? 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, which angle? So angle is there. Next point, about a given point. About a given point means which point is considered as the center point, so that from that center point we can rotate. So center point. And next one is in the given direction. Which direction to move? This direction, clockwise direction, or anti-clockwise direction? So 3 points are very important in rotation. At which angle? What is the center point for rotation? And what is the direction? So a rotation occurs when an object is turned around a fixed point. That fixed point is called the center. In rotation, each point or each vertex of the shape is rotated about the center at the given angle. A rotation means to turn a shape around a point. So to describe a rotation, we need 3 things. We need to know 3 things. We should be given 3 things. The angle of rotation, for example, half turn. Half turn means 180 degrees. A quarter turn, it means 90 degrees. 3/4 turn, that means 270 degrees, and so on. Similarly, the direction of the rotation. For example, clockwise or anti-clockwise. And the third point is the center of rotation. This is the fixed point about which an object moves or an object rotates. Direction of a rotation sometimes may not be given. It means in which direction it may not be directly mentioned. In this case, we have to use the following rule. A positive rotation. A positive rotation means rotation in anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means the direction in which the hand of the clock moves. Similarly, a negative rotation is an clockwise rotation. Clockwise rotation means negative rotation, and anti-clockwise rotation means positive rotation. So positive rotation means anti-clockwise rotation, the opposite direction in which the hand of the clock moves. We have to remember this one. Positive rotation means anti-clockwise direction. Negative rotation means clockwise rotation. For example, a rotation of 60 degrees. A rotation of 60 degrees means an anti-clockwise rotation of 60 degrees. Similarly, a rotation of minus 90 degrees. Minus 90 degrees means negative 90 degrees. So A rotation of minus 90 degrees equals a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. That means a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees. A rotation of 120 degrees is equal to a rotation of minus 240 degrees. A rotation of plus 120 degrees, positive 120 degrees means in anti-clockwise direction. So from here, if we move 120 degrees in anti-clockwise direction, that would be the same situation, same position as a rotation of minus 240 degrees rotation. So positive 120 degrees rotation and negative 240 degrees rotation are equivalent to each other. They take the original object to the same position. Properties of a rotation. The object and its image are of same shape and same size. Object and image are congruent. Only their positions are different. Their shapes and sizes are not changed. Each point of an object turns through an equal angular distance and in the same direction. It means each point of the original object turns around the same angle and same direction in the same distance. The object and image point of the center of rotation are same. The object and image point of the center of rotation are same. It means the center point remains at the same place, at the same position, that particular point.